Someday, in a beautiful lake.
Ah. Fish, are you sick? No. So, why are you show up? How me to show up? The grass is very tall. Can you ask Mr. Cow for this? Oh, okay.
The owl then go looking for Mr. Cow.
Hello, Mr. Owl, may I help you? Hello, Mr. Cow, I wanna ask you about the grass. Why you didn't cut it? Because a snake is traveling there. I'm very hurry and worry. Can you ask her? What she's doing there for? Okay, nice to meet you.
So the owl traveled to meet the snake.
Hello, Mrs. Snake. Are you there?
Hello, what do you want?
What are you doing here?
Ooh, I'm just looking for Mr. Frog. I just wanna say congratulations for his new babies.
Oh yes. Thanks! See you next time.
Oh, okay.
So, the owl, again, traveled to meet the frog.
Congratulations. Congratulations? For what? Are you having a new babies? No. I was calling the rain to protect myself from snake, but fish didn't like it. So, we must stay in pool for a while. Excuse me, I have some stuff to do. Wow, didn't see you there. Oh no, I'm dying now.
Hi there, how's the babies?
What?
So, the owl became insane because of that.